Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into YouTube Music with your Google account so your library syncs across devices. Once signed in, choose whether to use the web player or install the PWA app for better background playback. Make that choice now. Make sure your internet speed is stable, at least 5 Mbps for standard quality, and that your PC's default audio device is selected in System Sound Settings. If you have Premium, enable higher quality and offline features. Otherwise, you can still stream freely. Next, organize and play content. Search using filters to find songs, artists, or albums quickly, and use the Add to Library button so items sync. Create playlists by selecting songs and choosing New Playlist. Reorder tracks with drag and drop. For playback control, take advantage of keyboard shortcuts and the Miniplayer to pause, skip, or scrub without leaving your current window. Once your library is organized, use Queue Management to preview upcoming tracks and save mixes you want to return to. To finish, set your streaming quality in settings to balance data use versus audio fidelity, and if you're using the app with Premium, enable offline downloads for playlists you need offline. Make sure device casting is set up if you plan to stream to speakers or a Chromecast. Select the cast icon and choose the target device. If something goes wrong, first clear cache and restart the app or browser. Disabling conflicting extensions often resolves playback or sign-in issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.